I just found a huge problem with this car. And honestly, I don't know if I can fix it. And as you know, with my knowledge about cars, everything is hard. And maybe you saw my other episodes. It's always something that doesn't work out as I want to. But before I show you what that is, I want to give an update on where I am with the exhaust. I've been trying to fix this sport exhaust for a while now. And I was able to find someone that can help me weld and cut off the flaps that doesn't work. Here you can see it. It's totally broken. So inside this pipe there's a flap, but it's totally off. And on the other side it's different. They are just stuck and will not move. Since those flaps are part of the muffler, I bought new ones that I need someone to weld on to the pipe. And I actually find someone that can help me, because that's too hard for me. This means that we need to cut this off here and also here, and then add this one to it instead. That flap I showed, it's way too big, too wide. I think the original pipe is 65 millimeters and I bought 76 millimeters. New ones are on its way, and then I can hopefully fix this in the end. The best thing is that I thought the flaps were open when I pressed the sport button, but they weren't. And I thought the sound was pretty good, but it turns out it can be even better. I'm so excited to hear this when it's fixed. It must sound like crazy. But when I worked on that problem, I found a new one. And if you've seen my episodes before, I have fixed some parts on this car. One of those was that huge oil leak I had. I thought it was just a missing O-ring on the oil filter. Turns out it's probably something else and something bigger. I haven't even started the car, but there's a lot of new oil under it. Some of you have mentioned before that it might be an oil leak in these valve covers. So there's one here on this side and one on this side. I guess it's somewhere here then, probably in the bottom. I think I will try to switch them out. I don't know how. It's tough, and as you also know, there's a screw in here that I broke last time I changed the oil filter and the spark plugs and such. No. Shit. And then I also have this oil pan. I know from before, someone of you have told me that it's one lower, which is this one, which I think I can remove by myself. But then there's a top one where I probably need to remove the engine, which to me is insanely hard. I don't know how to do it even. If you want to see how this goes, stick around. I think the next episode will be about the exhaust. Let's see when those parts arrives. Otherwise I need to start working on the oil leak. Wish me luck. See you in the next episode.